welcome to my Sunday vlog, guys. I look like a makoti or something. I've been having some trouble with my hair, but today I just saw that it has grown. My hair has grown. Guys, look at this. But I gonna hairline, the braids. Yeah, braids really messed up my hair. I'm cooking, and then I'm gonna do my husband. I'm gonna do his manicure. I normally do it after a month, but it has been a while. Oh yes, and we also unboxed. Yeah, we're sharing some unboxing of nice things. Yeah, and yeah, can't wait. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you. What do you want to show me? Something. I wanted to use penne. Oh, but I realized that we are out, and I don't want to go out in the streets, so I opted for spaghetti. I have an idea of what this thing should look like, or what it should come out as, but I don't know how to put it. But I think I'll just put the spaghetti on the bottom, and then add my meatballs, and then add my gravy, and then add my mozzarella. Yes, and then when we dish it, is this the biggest container? And then when we dish it, we'll just like cut sort of. Yeah, I don't know, but we'll see. I'm just hoping the gravy goes down. Yeah, I think that's enough. The whole container is full, but I still have some pasta left. Let me just add the rest of the stuff, and then I'll take a video when I'm done.
Hi, welcome to somebody else's YouTube channel. My name is Mark, and today I'm going to be unboxing the PlayStation 5, of course. So I decided to get a PlayStation 5 for myself mainly, and the kids. Sometimes, you know, the kids will just have to wait. We got it from Kudu's. It's a nice store where you can actually get free advertising for Kudu. So you can actually buy your stuff there, your games, your consoles, and all the other accessories that you want. I think I just need to hide the price so that you don't see how much I got it for. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? So I got the digital one. This one doesn't require a disc, meaning that you will have to get the PlayStation Pass. What is it called? PlayStation Plus. Now I'm promoting Game Pass. Imagine this is for, you get a PlayStation subscription, and then you can actually download all your games or purchase your games from there. So I'm going to stand up. I hope the camera will be able to see me there. Yeah, so yeah, here's the packaging. I obviously got it in this because it had to be couriered here. And then, yeah, but if you're buying it at a store, this is what you will find, of course. This is my son, and he's not allowed to actually play it because he's gonna ruin everything for me. So yeah, as I said, this one doesn't require a disc, and it gives you all the specs there. This is beautiful. I think the advertising actually works because as soon as you see something like this, you want to purchase it. So I hope the boys will enjoy. I know I will enjoy. Okay, so yeah, let's open this thing up and see what they have inside. I don't intend on keeping the packaging, so I'm not gonna be careful, particularly this, because it's although it looks nice, it's very, very weak. So if they want us to keep the packaging, they should actually make it plastic or something, I guess. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Okay. There we go. There we go. So the first thing I see as soon as I open is the beautiful controller. It's nice. I love it. I've played this before because obviously I have friends that have already bought it before me, and which is actually what made me get it. Of course, now I want to connect with my friends while we play while I'm at home. So yeah, this is the controller. Very nice grip. It allows you to do whatever you want. It even has the slot for your headphones now. So now you don't have to worry about connecting your headphones and listening from here. Okay, next we have the power cable. So it's a pretty standard one. If you have a look at it, you can easily get it for less than $50 should yours stop working, or if you misplace one. And then next up is, oh, the stand. Oh, it comes with a stand. Nice. So you can actually put it upright. Here's the stand there. You will just place it here, and then we place your controller here. Hopefully we will do another video where I show you the setup and everything else. Right now I'm just unboxing and avoiding my son who's disturbing me. Okay, we continue. What's next? Oh, the HDMI cable. Pretty standard, I think. But obviously you will need to make sure that when you are getting one, you get one of the latest ones because the performance is not the same. But yeah, just the standard HDMI when it comes to this. Okay, that's that for the basic part. My guess is there's no other surprises when it comes to the small parts. Next we will just be revealing the console itself in its white glory. Okay, there we go. Nicely packaged and seemingly safe, if you ask me. By the way, guys, go Boke. By the way, we just won. We beat England, so I should probably download a rugby game, eh? Yeah, the first thing I will download is a rugby game, because look at that. Look at that. Obviously your USB ports, your LAN port, your HDMI. Okay guys, as you can see here, we have two USB ports we have the LAN port, we have the HDMI and the power cable. So remember I showed you the power cable initially. So this is where it goes in, and obviously the other side is just a twin plug, and then you plug it to the power. Don't have to worry about much there. And then obviously the USB, any USB, you can connect whatever you want there, but I wouldn't encourage you to connect whatever you want. And then obviously the HDMI will go in here. Yeah, so this is it, guys.